Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. Robin and I have already done our usual Sunday morning thing, and that's go to grocery shopping. All we needed was a few things of proteins, some fresh produce, and yeah, it was real quick shopping. And we went a little earlier than normal, so not so many people there. Now look at us. Yesterday was leftovers, and we also prepared a Reuben dip, which Robin took care of. She did that. We did a roasted bell pepper hummus, and a hot spinach and artichoke dip. That was our dinner. We'll have those. We got plenty of leftovers, and we got leftovers from the dips and stuff. It's another relaxing day. I'm not cooking. Probably pull out the turkey and barley soup that I made on Friday, either for lunch or probably have that for dinner. Yeah, it's a good soup day. It's about 44 degrees outside right now and fog. Yeah, the fog makes it, yeah, that dampness. Starting Monday, we're taking a little trip around the world. Each evening is a different meal from a different place in the world. Now, I do international cooking, but I purposely did this. On Monday, let me get my cheat sheet here. On Monday, Res and Henelt chicken tagine over brown rice. It's a Moroccan or North African. Tuesday, we're taking it a little easy. We're doing American pizza, basically Papa Murphy's. Robin has a coupon. Why not? Wednesday is Greek, or we're going to Greece with spanakopita. Then Thursday, we're going to China with a pork lau mein. And then Friday is carne asada con chile verde. Oh, this looks really good. And Saturday is a chicken ricotta meatballs with a fresh marinara sauce, and we'll serve that with some pasta. So we're going to Italy. So we're in Morocco or North Africa. I consider Papa Murphy's Pizza United States, because people can argue with me. Then we have Greece, and then China with the lo mein, and then Mexico with the carne asada, chile verde, and Italy. So I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, had plenty of food, and plenty of leftovers in your refrigerator, like we do. So enjoy this day. If you're traveling, please be safe. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.